Hi, Raimondo! Brrr, hi! Yes, this is my new book, Keep Your Baby Mama in Check for Dummies. Raimondo! Yes, this is the new book, Keep Your Baby Mama in Check for Dummies. Yes, so you don't have to go through that saying, "What's for dinner, honey?" What you mean, what's for dinner? You get your own dinner. I ain't kicking nothing. You sorry, mother sucker? You don't have to go through that no more. Once you order the book, How to Keep Your Baby Mama in Check for Dummies, it'll come with your free, one-size-fit-all wife beater. That's right, a wife beater. And it also comes with your own baby powder. That's right, baby powder. All you need to do, put 2 spoons of baby powder in. When you say, "Fix me something to eat," she's gonna say, "Fix your own something to eat." Wow, just like that, and you don't have to worry about it again. And I guarantee you, keep your baby mama in check for dummies.